Hello and welcome to Simplicity in Stocks. India's renewable energy transformation has reached a pivotal moment. For more than a decade, the country's efforts have been towards building renewable energy capacity and strengthening transmission networks. That effort has paid off. India today ranks among the world's largest renewable energy markets. But scale brings new challenges. As renewable energy rises, so does the complexity of managing the grid. This is where battery energy storage systems or BESS comes into play. Energy storage has become central to India's long-term energy security framework. Industry projections suggest that India may require more than 35 to 40 gigawatt hours of storage capacity by the year 2030 just to support its renewable energy ambitions. Here are five of the fastest growing BESS related stocks in the market. These companies have experienced high growth in sales and profit over the last 3 and 5 years. Please note this video is for information purposes only. It is not a stock recommendation and should not be treated as such. There is no opinion or view on any stock covered herein. First on the list is Advait Infratech, which now operates as Advait Energy Transitions. For years, the company was known for its transmission-related work, but the company's direction is now changing. Advait Infra is leaning into renewable infrastructure and storage-linked opportunities. The company has been focusing heavily on solar EPC, BESS, and green hydrogen infrastructure. In the first quarter of FY26, a majority of its revenue came from its new and renewable energy NRE division. It recently received a letter of intent from Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam for a standalone BESS project. In the last 3 years, the company's sales and net profit have grown at a compounded annual growth rate or CAGR of 72 and 82% respectively. The profit growth over the 5-year period was 126%. The company's ROE and ROCE have averaged 19% and 27% over the past 5 years. Bondada Engineering Limited. The company provides end-to-end engineering procurement and construction, that is EPC, and operations and maintenance, that is O&M solutions. This company operates in the telecom, renewable energy, and railway sectors. Rather than manufacturing battery cells, which requires a heavy capital investment, the company collaborates with technology providers and focuses on the engineering and integration work. At the end of 2025, its order book was almost 6 billion rupees. This represents a visibility of about 3 years. Within that pipeline, storage-related work is becoming more prominent. It has been awarded a 400 megawatt-hour project by Tamil Nadu Green Energy Corporation under a build-own-operate structure. The company recently received a 2 gigawatt work order from the Andhra Pradesh government as well. It's also exploring a foray into data center, defense, and aerospace segments. The company's sales and net profit have grown at a CAGR of 68% and 125% over the past 3 years. The average ROE and ROCE has ranged between 26% and 38% during the same period. Tata Power. This Tata Group company approaches energy storage from an entirely different angle. Unlike smaller EPC players bidding for individual projects, Tata Power operates across the entire generation, transmission, and distribution network. Unlike smaller EPC players bidding for individual projects, Tata Power operates across generation, transmission, and distribution. Back in 2024, the company had announced plans to invest up to $9 billion over the next 5 to 6 years to expand renewable energy capacity beyond 20 gigawatts, with storage embedded into hybrid solutions. Tata Power's diversified revenue streams help to cushion business volatility. Going forward, Tata Power aims to secure projects through tariff-based competitive bidding and expand its distribution network as well. Over 5 years, Tata Power's sales and net profit have grown at a CAGR of 18% and 23%. Return ratios have remained stable in double digits. HBL Engineering. The company operates in the manufacturing side of the energy storage ecosystem. It has long operated in the industrial, railway, and defense battery systems. While grid scale storage has different specifications, battery chemistry expertise and manufacturing discipline are transferable capabilities. As India builds more stationary storage capacity, domestic battery suppliers like HBL can position themselves in localization efforts and supply chain diversification. At present, the company has an order book exceeding 40 billion rupees. A majority of this is for railway coverage systems. But in the future, the company's battery vertical is expected to be a core revenue driver. HBL Engineering's sales and net profit have grown at a CAGR of 13% and 60% over the past 5 years. Its ROE and ROCE have averaged 13% and 18% during the same period. ABB India. ABB India operates silently behind the scenes. Every large scale battery system needs power electronics, automation controls, and grid integrated hardware. Stored DC power must be converted into grid compatible AC and managed with precision. And that's where ABB comes in. It provides technology and automation solutions for manufacturing, electrification, and industrial operations. Beyond the initial installation, equipment replacement, servicing, and system upgrades also provide ongoing revenue. ABB's sales and net profit have grown at a CAGR of 11% and 44% respectively. Return ratios have been good too. Its ROE and ROCE have averaged 18% and 24% in the last 5 years. The company is nearly debt free and generates strong cash flows. India's battery storage megatrend is just starting to play out. As renewable penetration deepens, storage will shift from optional to essential. Evening peak deficits, rising air conditioning loads, and electrification trends all make grid balancing critical. Government incentives and falling storage costs have improved project viability. For investors, the opportunity lies in understanding where each company sits in the value chain. However, careful analysis of company fundamentals, regulatory environment, and sector trends is essential before investing. Happy investing.